This is a very basic geometry sketching program that you can use to create a diagram in which some objects depend on other objects, and you can see how the whole diagram changes as you move things around. To get started, you need some points. So click on the Draw Point button in the upper right corner, and once you've got Draw Point selected, every time you click in the diagram, it creates a new point. Now click on Select, and you can select a couple of the points and go to the Construct menu and construct one of several things that depends on 2 points. So for example, you can construct the line through 2 points, or you can construct just the line segment, which is the same as the line except it ends at each point. Can also construct the circle with the center at the first point and passing through the second point, like that. One thing that's kind of fun is to start with 3 points, and given any 3 points in the plane, we know that there's a unique circle through those 3 points. And one way that you can build that up from these other operations is to, first of all, let's construct the line segment between 2 pairs of those points, or line segments. There's 2 of them. And then for each line segment, I'll select the segment and construct its midpoint. And now with each of those, I'm going to select the segment and the midpoint. And then with those 2 things selected, so right now what's selected is 1 line segment and 1 point, I can construct the perpendicular line. So there's a unique perpendicular line through that point that's perpendicular to the line segment. And then let me do the same thing with the other one. And now I'm going to select the 2 lines that we constructed and construct their intersection point. Now, choosing that intersection point as the center, I'm going to draw a circle having that center and through one of the original 3 points. That circle goes through all 3 of the original points. And so now as I move any part of the diagram around, you can see how the whole thing responds. You can also hide parts of the diagram. So if we select these construction lines that we made in the process of creating the circle and hide them, and also select these other points to hide them, then we're left with just the 3 points and the circle, and you can see how the circle moves as you move any of the points. You can also log into this program here using your Google account credentials, after which then you can save and load sketches that you make.